Well, hello. Welcome to my channel, which I call Eating Thin with Gwen. And today we're at the Vegan Fest at the Gas South Convention Center in Atlanta. So this is the Georgia Veggie Fest 2022. There's so much good food back there to eat, all vegan, very good. And I'm just excited to be here. So many people are here. So many vegans, vegetarians, some aspiring to be vegans and vegetarians. Good speakers. We went to one speaker, doctor, who told us about how when we're addicted, it's 3 ingredients: sugar, salt, and fat. So, which is true. And those are the ingredients that we're mainly just draw us to the foods that we eat. So anyway, I'm glad to be here. Again, we're trying to keep it healthy. It's so easy to get off base with all the chips and cookies and stuff, but we're trying to keep it healthy. So let's do go the healthy route if we can. All right. God bless. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, we're here at the Vegan Fest in Atlanta. Lots of vendors, lots of food. A lot of people interested in either being a vegan or already vegan.